Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nazwa. In this video, I will read a journal. Analysis of students' errors in solving mathematical story problem in English language. Abstract. Student will find it more difficult when faced with story problems because they must determine that formula and must be careful in reading the problem. Most schools in Indonesia, especially in urban areas, use English for that learning process. Many students do not master English, this experiencing difficulties in learning. This research was conducted at SMK Al Ihsan Depok with a sample for 13 students. That method used with a descriptive method with a quantitative approach to determine that number of errors may be student and a qualitative approach to identify that location of the errors and determine that causes. Data collection, the techniques and documentation, tests and interviews. That result of that study showed that the location of the errors may be student will determine what is known in the problem, determining what is asked, making a mathematical model, causing a formula that is appropriate the problem, doing calculation, interpreting the model's answer to that lack of carefulness in reading that problem to understand that meaning of that problem, weakens in basic mathematical calculations, rushing when solving that problem, and lack of English vocabulary in statistics and probability materials. Journal of Mathematics and Science edition. Introduction. That object studied in mathematics are abstract, which is why some students consider mathematics difficult. Furthermore, that language used in mathematics is predominantly number, symbols, and notation. Therefore, when solving problems, students must understand each symbols and notation and then determine that appropriate formula to use. Story problem relate to everyday events. Students will find that more challenging because they must not only determine that formula to use, but also carefully read the problem to understand that information contained within and understand what the question is asking. Language is a tool for communication and interaction. This means that language is a tool for conveying thoughts, ideas, concepts, and feelings. English in international language. Therefore, most school Indonesia, especially in urban areas, use English for learning. However, many students do not master English. This experiencing difficulty in learning. From this study will analyze student errors in solving English story problems on statistics and probability material of grade SMK Al Ihsan Depok. Library study understanding story problems. Real life mathematics problems are usually presented in story form. That stories can involve everyday problems or other issues. The length of the story in the problem depend on the severity of the problem being posed. They have that problem, that long, that story, and vice versa. Story problems are problems expand in meaningful and easy to understand stages. Word problems in mathematics are problems related to everyday life that can be solved using mathematical stages. That mathematical stages referred to in this statement are mathematical stages that contain arithmetic operations. Word problems are problems that can be presented orally in the form of sentences that illustrate activities in everyday life.